Welcome back. In the video series Let Us Learn, presented by Satyajit Sharma. In this video, we will cover center of triangle, that is circumcenter. This is the definition. Point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of sides. And what we have to verify, that center always lies inside the triangle if it is acute angle triangle, outside the triangle if it is obtuse angle triangle, and on the hypotenuse if it is right angle triangle. I have used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student version 2016, both are licensed version, and free open source screen recorder software to present this video. Now let us start. Let me show which type of worksheet we are going to prepare. This is circumcenter and this is circumcircle. When you pull it, you can see that if it is acute angle triangle, center lies inside the triangle. If it is right angle triangle, on the hypotenuse, and if it is obtuse angle triangle, it lies outside the triangle. Now let us try to prepare this dynamic worksheet from the sketch. So for this, open GeoGebra worksheet. In option rounding of to decimal place, labeling of new point, front size as per your convenience. So now one more thing, in GeoGebra file you can play after completing the worksheet. So for this, use navigation bar. Use navigation bar. Now let us start from the text, that circumcenter of triangle and circumcircle. So this is a text, circumcenter of triangle. Now what we have to do, take a polygon, name it as A, B and C. Now the next, what we have to do, in GeoGebra file we have option of different conditions. We can draw perpendicular bisectors. Here click on the icon and click on the perpendicular bisector. So what it says, select 2 points or one segment. So just I have taken as AB and BC. Now find point of intersection. Point of intersection of these two lines. Point of intersection D. You can draw one more perpendicular bisector, that is from AC. So this is the meeting point of perpendicular bisector. So this is D is called circumcenter of triangle. D is called circumcenter of triangle. Here it is. D is called circumcenter of triangle. Now we have to verify, first tell the definition, that circumcenter is the meeting point of perpendicular bisector. So now take text. Okay. This circumcenter is meeting point of perpendicular bisector of all the sides. D is called circumcenter of triangle. Now let me verify the properties that in which case it lies inside, outside, or on the hypotenuse. So now draw its angle. So these are the angles of given triangle. So now we have to verify the properties. We have to verify the properties. So these are given angles. So now we have to verify the properties, whether D lies inside, outside the. Now what we have to do, push it and pull it. If it is acute angle triangle on the, now here it is right angle triangle, so this is on the hypotenuse. And if it is up to inside, acute angle, and if it is right angle obtuse angle triangle, it lies outside. So for this, take a circle with center and through the point. Now center is D, and take any point to complete the circle. So this is circumcircle, and once again you can check it inside, on, and outside. So that means now we can verify the properties that we have, that is are the positions and now show it. Take the text and complete all the properties. So you can also view it in geometry view to show it better, in a better way. At last you can change the color as per your convenience. You can change the color. D is called circumcenter, and these are the positions. These are the different positions. Now whenever you push it or pull it, in case of acute, on, outside. Okay, let us try to explore more. Thank you.